So, you watched my movie on Disney Plus, eh? Why does it still remain on Disney Plus? They should have removed it! Dumbo, they have removed it in some countries. Not this country. It still remains. Well, okay, I should have been cancelled then. No, Dumbo. You're still remaining on Disney Plus with Peter Pan! Peter Pan! But Peter Pan never grows up. Peter Pan is a dark origin. Have you ever read his fairy tale, Peter Pan and Wendy? Peter Pan's origin is a dark... How do you know it's a dark fairy tale origin, Dumbo? Have you read it? Peter Pan fend the lost people out before they got too old. Peter Pan pushed Captain Hook into the sea. The crocodile is waiting for a feast. Dumbo! Hey! Mister, it's 2021! And they need to start filming Pinocchio this April! They got an actor to do Jiminy Cricket. They got an actor to do the Coachman. They got an actor to do Geppetto, which is Tom Hanks. Dumbo, you are a sad, big circus elephant. I visit you in your dreams, mister. You're right. I have stitches around my neck in order to come back to life. I still see you. I'm sorry, mister. You saw me come back to life. With stitches around my neck, mister. You are right. You were right all along. I'm Dumbo, mister. Don't be racist with me, Dumbo. Tim Burton made you even more creepier than ever. I'm going to my trip to Hawaii. I'm going to my trip to Walt Disney World. I'm going to my trip to see Lion King because they got a new child actress to do Nala. Someday, when they grow up, they'll get another child actor to do Simba. And another child actress to do Nala in The Lion King on Broadway. Dumbo! Dumbo, speak to me! Talk in your various childish accent. Don't get racist with me! I'll get angry at Pinocchio if he doesn't listen. Pinocchio! What are you doing here, mister? I don't have time for this. Time is a thief from Alice in Wonderland. Go talk to Dumbo, Pinocchio. Don't lie to me. If you lie, your nose will grow uncontrollably, killing Jiminy Cricket with a hammer, getting your legs burnt on the stove, getting hung by the fox and the cat, going to prison, and other stuff. You had several other adventures. You saw the grave of the Blue Fairy. You saw everything serves a dark origin. You went to Pleasure Island. You turned yourself into a donkey. You were swallowed by a great white shark. And you saw your dying friend, Candlewick! Wait, You mean Lapwick, my friend, turned himself into a donkey and died? I murdered Jiminy Cricket with a hammer? Turn myself into a real person? What would Dumbo say about my dying friend? Dumbo! Get over here! Uh-oh, big trouble coming. Pinocchio murdered Jiminy Cricket with a hammer. Yes, I can see that. His origin was way darker than mine's. Now Pinocchio has a new character in his upcoming live-action movie. It's a seagull! Pinocchio, you are a toy! You're not a real person yet, Pinocchio. You're just a wooden marionette puppet. You are a plaything! Dumbo, you are a sad, creepy looking circus elephant. And I'm leaving for school. Farewell, Dumbo! Oh yeah, well, good and shut on me, Pinocchio. Don't make any more Toy Story references. Turning yourself into a donkey, murdering Jiminy Cricket with a hammer, swallowed by a great white shark, saying your dying friend a dying candle wick lip wick. What would Noah say? What would Simba say? What would Sheriff Woody, Real Wally? Pinocchio! 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 Oh, Pinocchio! 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 I'm speaking to you! OMG. I'm gonna just... Pinocchio! Huh? Oh, I'm still in here? You have stitches around your neck, Dumbo. I don't care about Nala being a zombie or Simba himself. Your gingerbread man is putting his penis. You said penis. I don't care about my cookies putting his penis in his Fruit Loops. Hey, you need to keep your voice down, mister. You're not screaming before you take your damn shower before Ryan gets out of the shower. Your damn brother. You're watching porn on your phone. And I don't care about me having stitches around my neck to come back to life. You know, you have hardwood flooring now. You have that super duper stupid fudging Wii, and you haven't beat Jaws' ultimate prayer for the Wii. Diagon Alley has the Jaws ride, and now yourself, you need to watch your language. I'm not swearing. I'm Dumbo. And you know why my name is Dumbo? Because I have giant ears that let me know how to fly. I'm Dumbo because I have stitches around my neck. I'm a Tim Burton movie. I can talk, but a very strange accent. I don't care about you seeing Lion King on Broadway and your trip to Finding Neverland because they both got rescheduled because of COVID. I can't catch COVID because I'm an elephant. It's 2021. Now you listen to me. When you go to your trip to Hawaii where they're going to film Lilo and Stitch, you're gonna go to Walt Disney because they have a new Mickey Mouse themed attraction. You're gonna go to Lion King on Broadway because they got a new child actress to do Noah. You're gonna see Finding Neverland because it got rescheduled for next year. Chadwick Boseman is irreplaceable. I'm Dumbo. I'm Dumbo. I'm Dumbo! I'm D-U-M-B-O! I'm Dumbo, you mister! Dumbo! I don't care! You never forget because you're an elephant! Who is your father? What happened to Mr. Jumbo? Where's your father? You don't even know my father. You know. My father is an African bush elephant. I am an African bush elephant. Mother fudger, Dumbo! Because I'm not allowed to swear because this is a kid's channel, Dumbo. Making penis jokes. That's racist, Dumbo. Cancel you eventually. You're still on Disney Plus and they haven't removed you. Why am I on Disney Plus? Should have been removing me because Tim Burton made me less racist and more creepier than ever. I bet Pinocchio is gonna get even more creepier than you, Dumbo. He got a new character which is a seagull. Luke Evans is gonna voice the coachman. They got an actor to do Jiminy Cricket, the Blue Fairy. And finally, Dumbo, they haven't got an actor to do Stromboli! Nala, come over here, young lady. Come on. Come here. They haven't got an actor to do Stromboli yet. Why ever not? Because you're racist, Dumbo. I don't care. Young lady, you're so weird showing Simba the tip of his penis. No, you're virginity. I don't care. Dopey! 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 Way to go, Dumbo. You made Dopey scream like in the original version of Snow White. That was the third time. 3 times. Don't poison yourself with the apple. It wasn't love's first kiss that saved Snow White, Dumbo. It was the piece of the apple that just fell out of Snow White's mouth. I was thinking you were right, until the queen danced herself to death before she put on some red-hot iron shoes until she falls to the floor. After she died, her magical mirror was shattered into a million pieces. Her lab was crumbled into rumble. That's why the 7 dwarfs got their name. Dopey was there. Dopey doesn't ever speak. He makes vocal sounds, giving me the ability to speak. I can talk, but a very challenged accent, and I can't accept your apologies. I will get angry at Pinocchio a ton if he doesn't listen. Dumbo, you're gonna make my video too long. I will stop that video right now if you be racist to me one more time. Then stop the video right now! You know, Pinocchio's live-action remake had a seagull? That's great! That's stupid fucking great! That's great! That's stupid fucking great! Okay, now I'm done here.